Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to share content from pCon.planner using Impress, and how this can support your daily design work. With just a few clicks, you can share individual products, entire furnishings, or even custom-made objects as a 3D model in the browser or in augmented reality directly on a smartphone. This is especially useful when working with clients, as it helps to communicate planning details in a clear and engaging way. With version 8.12 of pCon.planner, sharing has become even easier, and if desired, even more informative. In addition to the 3D visualization, you can now include product information. Let's go through the features step by step to see how it works and how it can benefit your projects. We'll start with a sample planning project. To share content with Impress, you now only need one button. Previously, there were two separate buttons. Now they've been merged into one. That means one click on Share is all it takes to generate a single link for your current selection, covering all use cases, whether it's for 3D viewing in the browser or AR on a smartphone. In the settings, you can pre-select your preferred cloud storage provider. By default, the integrated solution in pCon.planner is used, and you don't have to do anything further. These links remain active for 1 month. If you'd like your shared content to be available permanently, you can also connect your Dropbox or Microsoft OneDrive account. Once you've clicked Share and the upload is complete, you'll receive a QR code and a link in the following dialog. The QR code can easily be saved as an image via right-click, and the link can be copied directly via the button. Clicking on the QR code takes you straight to Impress, where you'll see exactly the same view you selected before in pCon.planner, whether it's a top-down floor plan or a specific camera perspective. This is particularly useful when you want to guide the viewer's attention, whether you want to highlight a specific angle or bring a product into focus. You're in control of how others experience your design. Let's return to the sharing dialog. With a simple check of the Show Article Information box in pCon.planner Pro and Marketing Edition, you can choose whether or not to include product details in your links. This is especially helpful when working with manufacturer data or when links are used internally. If you've added additional article descriptions in the property editor, those will be included as well. In the Impress view, you'll see this information represented by an interactive circle placed on the product. If additional details are available, the circle includes a small exclamation mark. When you hover over the circle with your mouse, it reveals the product and manufacturer. Clicking on it opens a description window, showing all available product information: manufacturer, series, article number, short and long texts, and if available, images, brochures, or assembly instructions. This feature becomes especially interesting for articles with subcomponents, such as this shelf system shown in our planning. If you open the description window for such a system article, you'll find a Components section listing all parts. Hovering over them highlights the respective module in the model, so you know exactly which part is which. And here's a helpful tip. If you're using an Impress link during a live presentation and prefer to hide the article information, there's a small eye icon at the bottom left of the screen. Just click it to deactivate the info layer and view the pure 3D model only. Let's finish with a look at the mobile view and augmented reality. If you scan a shared QR code with your smartphone, the 3D model opens directly in the browser. Here too, you can access all article information and, if available, extended product information. To view the model in AR, simply tap the AR icon in the upper right corner of the screen. The product will open in augmented reality, and you can place it freely in your space. It's a fun and effective way to excite your clients, and a powerful tool for sales teams to create memorable product experiences. It's sure to spark curiosity and creativity. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you've gained a clear understanding of how easy it is to share content using Impress, and how you can enrich your links with additional product information. Give it a try right away. If you found this video helpful, let us know, and feel free to explore our other tutorials as well. Thanks again, and see you next time.